Hey, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. This is really cool. For years and years on iOS, I have searched for apps, either pay or free, which would square crop images all the same way. Like batch square crop or bulk square crop images all the same way. And this is because so many websites, especially trading websites, selling websites like eBay, Marketplace, things like that, they use square photos. And I'm always trying to speed up and automate tasks so I can move more efficiently. So here's a real life example. And I just realized, I don't know how new this is, what edition of iOS, but I'm on iOS 18 here. I did not know you could copy your edits of a photo and then select a bunch of other photos, paste your routine or your edits that you just did on the first photo that you saved, and it will execute it on every other photo. And one way this can work is, I'll show you here. I'm selling some LED flashlights like this. I found them already for sale or sold already on eBay. I screenshotted the images from those listings in the same exact spot for every image. So I need to get those perfectly squared, and I did not realize I can save my edits for one, and as long as all the other photos after that I select need the same exact edit, it will execute. This is absolutely amazing. So let's start from the first one, which is here. There'll be a total of 9. We'll edit this one, and I'll show you how I can duplicate the edits. So I'm going to crop. I'm going to select a square crop. Perfect. We're going to hit done. We're going to hit the 3 buttons at the top. We're going to hit copy edits. What edits did I do? I only did a crop. That's the one I want to copy. If I cropped and moved and resized and added a sticker, all those different actions could be here, and we could select which of those actions we wanted to duplicate on the next photos. Copy. Now I have 9 other photos. No, I'm sorry. Now it's down to 8. I have 8 other photos I need to duplicate this on. So look, I'll hit select. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll hit the 3 dots at the bottom. I'll hit duplicate. It just cropped all of them. It just square cropped all of them just like I need it, which is incredible. No, it didn't work. Why didn't it work? It copied them. It duplicated them. Why did it duplicate? But you get the idea. Try it out. It does work. I must have made a misstep on this demonstration, so let me know what I did. It seems like I just duplicated all of them on accident, because probably I hit duplicate. Isn't that right? Let's try it one more time. Select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where's the 8th one? Not sure which one would be the 8th one. But let's just do it for those. Hit the 3 dots at the bottom, paste edits. There it is, because we copied the edits. Now we want to paste the edits, which will execute them. This is how you do it. Boom. And those should be cropped now. Not cropped. The next one should be cropped. Cropped. Not cropped. Cropped. Not cropped. Cropped. Well, not cropped. Cropped. So that's how you do it in a rough demonstration there. Just I do things on one take like this. But I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. If you have anything to add to making this go faster, do let us know. Thanks for watching.